Hello, my dear children. Very good morning. You're most welcome in class 12th accountancy. I, R.R. Tripathi from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur, is going to explain NPOs. We are on the topic of NPOs. You have called me just question number 37. I would like to explain question number 37, my dear. Preparing the income expenditure account and balance sheet. Question number 37. Now, before solving the question, it's your duty to read the question carefully. And whatever the information and items given in the question, just they will tell you how to deal with them while preparing the financial statement. Remember, dear children, in a slow motion, every bits of the items given, just that is explained for the sake of you. How to deal such items, recording in income expenditure account as well as balancing of preparing the financial statement of NPOs. Now listen it carefully. Question number 37. I would like to read the information and explanation. From the following particular relating to Rana Krishna Mission Charitable Hospital, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and the balance sheet as at that date. Cash in hand 1st April, cash available, subscription 4,79,960. Donation 1,45,000 to interest on investments at the rate of 7% per annum for full year, that is given to proceeds from charity show, and the expenses are taken place in the organization medicine, whatever the payment made for the medicine 3,05,900, doctors honorarium 90,000, salaries 2,75,000, petty expenses, equipment, expenses on charity show and cash in hand. Additional information, go through the additional information that is given. Subscriptions due previous year 2,400 and current year 2,800, received in advance 640 previous year and 1,000 current year. Stock of medicine, estimated value of equipments, building cost less depreciation. Now, just we have to prepare that one. First, the steps involving, dear children, you can see just the steps involving. First, we have to draw the column of income expenditure account. This way, just you can see. Just draw the column of income and expenditure account. This is the method of trying, or just now you can see this way you have to draw the columns and see how. Now, on top of the head, income and expenditure. Income and expenditure account for the year ending, whatever year ending that is given, 2019, as at 2019. This one is the amount column, and income, amount, expenditure. Now see, first we have to go through the incomes given in the question. Incomes are receipt column, subscription, by subscription. By subscription, that is given 4,79,960. 4,79,960 inside of the column. We will record first inside of the column, then less outstanding or add outstanding at the current year. In additional information given, add outstanding of current year, outstanding at current year, plus outstanding at 2,800. 2,800. We can add 0, 6, 7, 2, 8, 4,82,760. It will become. Then after other information, add outstanding. Add subscription received in advance of the previous year. Previous year advance. Add previous year's advance. Plus that is given 640. 640. 0, 0, 4, 3, 8, 4,83,400. After that, less previous year outstanding, previous year's outstanding, minus 2,400. Zero, 1, 8, 4,81,000. Less advance at the current year. Less advance of current year. Current years, that is given 1,000. minus 1000. The amount of subscription will be 4,80,000. That will be the amount of subscription income. Then after donation, by interest on investment, by interest on investment, that is given 70,000. 70,000 by proceeds from charity show. Proceeds from charity show. Whatever the show organized, charity show. Charity show, that is given 1,04,500. 1,04,500. These are the income of the organization, and just we have to come to the point of expenditure column. Now in expenditure column, medicines, that is given, stock of medicine also given. So 2 medicine consumed. 2 medicine consumed. First we have to calculate medicine consumed. Opening stock. Opening stock, that is given in additional information. Opening stock is stock of medicine 88,100. Add medicine purchased during the year. Add medicine purchase, that is given in payment column. Medicine purchase during the year plus $3,05,900. 3,05,900. Just we can total this one. 0, 0, 0, 4, 3,94,000 less closing stock. Less closing stock. Just we can see less closing stock, that is given 97,400 minus 97,400. The stock of medicine will be 2,96,000 consumed. 2,96,600. Then after 2 doctors honorarium, 2 doctors honorarium, that is given 90,000. 90,000. 2 salaries. Salaries. 2 salaries. No other information given. Salary is 2,75,000. 2,75,000. Two petty expenses. Two petty expenses. That is given 4,610. 610. Then expenses, two expenses on charity show. Two expenses on charity show, that is given 7,500. 7,500. And then after the depreciation, to depreciation. Depreciation will be charged estimated value of equipment 2,12,000 and the equipments purchased during the year means 2 lakh, you can see over here 2,12,000 given. This one is the opening stock of equipment, and then whatever the equipment purchased during the year, 1,50,000 plus 1,50,000, 0,002,6, 3,62,000 minus closing stock, whatever the value, just we can find the depreciation. 46,000. Now equipment, 46,000, and then building 4 lakhs and 3,80,000. So on building depreciation will be 20,000. Other item not given in assets column. So just we can see the total of 66,000. Total depreciation of the assets will be charged 66,000. Now CDR, other additional information, stock of medicine, estimated value of equipment, building cost less depreciation, it has been already given. That's why the income expenditure account is prepared. Now total of this one, first I think that will be the surplus. Just we can total this one, 0, 0, 5, 4, 6,54,500. The total value 6,54,500. And then after the total of expenditure column, because of that, just the total of income column exceeds the expenditure column. That's why the excess of income over expenditure to excess of income over expenditure that is surplus. That is the amount 59,790. This is the way of preparing the income and expenditure account. You can see whatever the additional information given adjusted in income and expenditure account, and whatever the incomes given just subscription, additional information regarding the subscription, outstanding of previous year, outstanding of current year, advance previous year, advance current year. These are steps involving calculating the subscription, the main income for the particular year through the subscription, whatever received by the organization, that is given, and other income. Just the total of income column exceeds the expenditure column by 59,790, the difference, and it will be added in capital fund. So next video I will explain the preparation of question number 37, balance sheet, the steps involving how the items are adjusted in balance sheet. Thank you very much. Keep on watching.